Hey, David Jordi here, and today I want to reveal the tool behind my content creation. This is helping me increase the quality of my content. This is helping me get more context and continue learning from the people that I'm meeting. So it all starts from a file. I'm going to look for a file of a podcast that I had with Mel. It was a 45-minute recording, 6 gigabytes, so it's a perfect example. What I do is I drag and drop the recording in here, and what AI does is that it creates a title and a quick description. While it does that, it's getting the transcription for the video. You have two options. You have an option to view it like this, or you have the option to view it as segments. So this is pretty awesome. You get to customize the size font. It can also detect different speakers. I have that disabled in this case. You can also view the recording while it's doing the work, grabbing the transcription. But one of the things that I like the most is now AI, I connect to my ChatGPT, and it's going to create a summary as soon as the transcription ended, right? As soon as it scraped all the information. And it's also going to be validated with another prompt that I added here to kind of shape up the response, right? Then it opens up a chat that I can have a conversation with. So ideally you have some prompts that you can use here. In this case, it has some frequently asked questions, but I can also tell it to, hey, give me some stats that we mentioned on the recording, and it does it as well. So this tool is called Whisper Transcription. It's only available on Mac. I love the tool. It has been very useful for me to continue improving my content, learn a lot more, and flush more pieces of content from long form videos. So let me know if you guys like the use case that I'm using it for. I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can try it out, and let me know what you think. Take care.